Right, Sanibonani Abantwana. Hope you guys are all well. Kia ora bocha that you are looking at the videos. Hope you're enjoying them. Please like and subscribe. Okay, guys, it does help build the channel. Right, today we're going to be looking at the introduction, and we're also going to be putting in our first figure or table. Sorry, not table, image. I do apologize for that. And it should update our table of figures. So this is going to be a nice one if you've never done any of these things. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, what I've done is I've typed out a little paragraph as an introduction. Okay, and I think if you don't mind, I just want to spend 3 or 4 minutes just explaining what I've done here. An introduction is just like if you've seen a trailer for a new movie, right? You want to try and entice people about what they can find, and then obviously focus on what you're going to be dealing with in this. All right, so it's just an introduction, guys, over the general. Okay, so I'm going to read along, and then you can adjust your introduction to suit the topic which you've picked. Right, so I said online gaming has become one of the most popular forms of entertainment today. And it has changed the way people spend their time, their money, and interact with others. This PAT, Practical Assessment Task, looks at how online gaming services affect consumers in different ways. Now, affect is also another word for impact, okay? Including their social lives, their mental health, and financial choices. Right, so there's items that I think I'm going to focus on as far as impact is concerned, all right? And that goes back to our main focus question. On the positive side, gaming connects people from all over the world, allowing them to build friendships and enjoy shared experiences. I like that, okay? It can also teach us useful learning skills, such as problem solving, teamwork, and strategic thinking, which can benefit players in real-life situations. At the same time, there are negative effects. We need to realize that, guys. We've got yin and yang, positive and negative. Negative effects such as spending too much time on screens, addictive habits, and the pressure of buying in-game items. Technology has also made gaming more accessible, turning it into a major part of modern culture. Overall, online gaming services bring both benefits and challenges, and it is important for consumers to be aware of how these platforms influence their daily lives. What do you think, guys? That's a lovely introduction, eh? Well, come on. You need to write your own one, but be creative and take some time and do this nicely. All right, then what I'm also going to do, guys, let's look at some skills that we've learned as well. I would like to add a drop cap in here. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, this is where you are showing off your skills. Typically, all your ICT skills that you've learned from grade 10, 11, and obviously 12. So let's insert a nice drop cap here. That looks nice. There it is. And now I'm going to insert my image. And what I did, guys, I went on the internet and I decided to find myself another picture. And this is where this is going to come into play now, this table of figures. So every time you're putting in an image, you want to reference it so that it appears here. Okay, so let's go and do this. I'm going to click on Insert, a picture from device, and surely I should go to my PAT folder. Let's move this down a little bit. It's on the desktop. PAT, cat. Oops, sorry about that. Wrong folder. Just find this PAT. There's the PAT folder, and in my PAT folder, under sources, I've got a nice little gaming girl sitting there on her PC. All right, now to add this to the table of figures, we need to click on References, and we need to click on Insert a Caption. Can you see that here, guys? Insert Caption. Right, and you can decide where you want to put it. Do you want to change the numbering? Do you want it to be on the top? Should it say figure? And you can change all of this to suit your needs. Okay, but in this case, I'm going to happy that it is just saying figure. Right, so figure 1, I'm going to add this in as a gaming girl sitting by a table playing games. Okay, I think that's good. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. That's just what it is. It's a gaming girl sitting by her table playing games. Okay, that's what it is. So let's go okay on this one, and you'll see that it is then put in figure 1, gaming girl sitting by her table playing games. Now what's nice with this, guys, if you don't mind, if I go up here to table of figures, I can then update this by clicking on the actual the table that we put in, and here it says update table, and there you'll see figure 1, gaming girl sitting by her table playing games, and it's on page 4. So guys, that's it. Very, very simple. So now, from now going on, every time I put a picture on, I can reference this and it should update to the table of figures. I hope you enjoyed this video. Salani Gashle, Ambani Gashle, Dankie you guys. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below any questions that you might have. Always willing to help, guys. Always willing to help. Thank you.